Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. If this is your first time of watching me, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Concerning COTP, the worst has happened. They have brought their real format. They have brought out their real format. You know, they have been fooling us since, but now they decided to show their format now. So what I want to show you now is what the new message now they sent today. Their new update now. What they said that hackers have so blah blah blah. You understand? So I will show you the updates now so that you see by yourself. You see that these people they are really scammers. So we don't need to hide anything again. They are scammers. They are bloody scammers. So they were using format from since they started this story. They were using format, different formats. Now they decided to shut down entirely. Let me show you what they sent to me. This morning, after system notification, important notice at 23:05 US time on May 22nd, we were attacked by an illegal network and received a ransom email from an unknown hacker. The attack resulted in the loss of user data, and the platform is no longer functional properly. We immediately commissioned a major network security provider to thoroughly analyze the problems caused by this attack and data recovery. And data recovery network has been begun. Recovery is expected to take 3 to 5 weeks. We are very sorry for this. Okay. As you can see, they say that the recovery expected to take 3 to 5 weeks. God. So, like I said yesterday, I told you guys that if I did not see any update that particular yesterday, that I would delete the app, and which I deleted. But someone informed me that they sent a message, then I downloaded the app again to see the particular message if they sent it to me as well, and I got this notification right now. And after everything, they say confirm. Now I've confirmed. So they still send it again. They are not even showing balance again. They are not even showing balance again. It's only the notification now, nothing more. Even if you refresh from January to December, nothing else. Look at. Many people have lost their fund. Look at. The app is just as in, hi God. These people, look at any page you go, you just see this. Any page you enter, you see this. No way, no. Even their customer care is now writing in China. I don't understand. Nothing is working out again. These people has run away with people's money. They have run away with people's money. That's the update now. That's the update now. For people asking for update, that's the update. So everybody should forget about COTP and move on. Like I said in my previous video, everybody should forget about COTP. Move on. Move on. I know it will cause so many pains to people. Nothing is working again. Nothing is working again. Nothing is working again. Nothing. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and remain blessed. God bless you. This is Luzero Media. Thank you very much.